Today in this particular video, I'm gonna guide you how we can add any kind of fonts in CapCut video editing. So first of all, open a new project, click in new project. One is open your CapCut application. Then what you have to do is you have to generate some video from your gallery. So let me take this one just for example. There is a video I'm gonna take, so add into the workspace as you can see from here. Now I want to add some fonts in this particular video. Click on text and then click add text here, and then come here and you can write some text like intro. All right, so the target is to change the font. Okay, so come here, click in font, and then you see add fonts here. Okay, so click on add fonts. Then you can click on the plus icon in here and directly takes you to upload files. Okay, so click on upload files. Once you click on upload files, you can select your fonts, whatever fonts you have. A strip, PPT, TTP. Okay, click on that. And now it was added. You can see from here the file is added, and then you can change the style here and change the font, and you see a strip. So look at this is the strip file, and you can change even the color or the style, coming in the black or red. Okay, look at now here, this is the strip. So let us make it animate a little bit. At the intro level, we're gonna make it like zoom in at intro, and at outro level. All right, so gonna maximize the font here, then play it. Look at. Yeah, look at it. So there is it. In this way you can add any kind of fonts in your CapCut video editing application, whether mobile or desktop. And you can add any other languages, it depends on you. So that is all about what I have for you. If you are interested with such kind of video, don't forget to subscribe and be a family. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.